like that, man. Hey, I'm gonna tell you what. Hey, truthfully now, I've been offered a deal to come on a bigger channel to put my video, but I turned that down, so don't worry about it. I've been called by restaurants to make their menu. And this year, and they was like, well, you stop doing YouTube, quit putting your ideas out there. No, I am not gonna do it. I'm gonna still work for y'all. So you ain't got to look at me like that. Why y'all look at me like that for? All right, y'all. Okay, let's forget it then. Check this out here. I'm gonna still show you how to cook something new. Show you how to cook something even better than anything I ever showed you how to cook before. And I got a lot more of these here coming. I got a whole chapter of steak recipes finna come down for you because I know you're gonna like it. Now come here, let me show you what I'm finna make right now. Check it out. Now, we're gonna do some steak. Now, your steak is based on what you want to use. Now, you can use T-bone and you can use ribeye. Me, I like a tougher steak. So, me, I'm going with more of a chuck steak because that's what I like. Now, for my steak, I'm going to use my steak seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, and my olive oil. I'm going to marinate the steak before I cook it. And then we're going to serve it with broccoli. And your broccoli, you know what I'm saying, we're going to boil it with a little salt and a little butter in that water. And we're going to serve this with some garlic bread. But the biggest thing we're going to do is our shrimp sauce. We're going to need shrimp. Now, you're going to need your favorite Cajun season, heavy whipping cream. We're going to need some chicken broth, minced garlic. And we're also going to use these here cherry tomatoes. And you're going to need some finely chopped Parmesan cheese. Now, we're going to put this together. And I'm going to show y'all how to make this sauce. I just don't think because I've been gone for a long time and working these deals because ain't none of them deals going to happen. I'm going to be here. This is the Cooking General channel. This is your channel. Let's do this here. Ask somebody. Come here. Let me show y'all right quick. Check this out here. We got to go quick now. Now, I got a little butter and garlic in here, a little minced garlic. I already put my Cajun seasoning on my shrimps. And we're going to go ahead and get them nuts going. Now, I marinated these steaks about an hour. And I got my steak seasoning on them. I marinate them with a little Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to put these on. Skillet. There. Now, get them in there. Okay. Now, we got that going. And we're going to get these shrimps going. I'm going to stir those. And you keep your shrimp stirred. Now, later on, we're going to add our chicken broth. And you see, I took my cherry tomatoes. I diced them in half. And we're going to add whipping cream. But we're going to cook them in the chicken broth first. And let this chicken broth start to boil before we add our cherry tomatoes and our heavy whipping cream. So come back. Cooking General. Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. Man, come here and check this out here. Now, this is what I did. I had just a little pinch of salt in my water and some butter. I'm finna wait till this boil. I'm gonna add my broccoli to that. I got my steaks on over here cooking. Now, I went on and took my shrimps and put them to the side. Now, I added the chicken broth in here with a little minced garlic still off in there where I cook my shrimps in. It's gonna still be in this water. Now, I wanna get this here to kind of boil in a little bit. Then I'm gonna start adding my heavy whipping cream to it. So I turn my fire up because I want it to go, and I add my cherry tomatoes, and then I'll start adding my Parmesan cheese. So that's how we're gonna do this sauce. So now you know the combination of what I'm gonna do when this comes back on. So when it be done, don't say, hey, you didn't show me. At least I told you, because I gotta wait till this get done. I don't want this video to be too long, man. Come on now, ask somebody. Oh, there we go. We done finish this thing now. Told y'all I'm going to do this here. Come here, let me show you how this thing look here. Look at that. Now, you got your garlic bread, you got the steak. Look at that, your tomatoes, your shrimp, look at that. All that stuff in there right there. You got that minced garlic taste and your broccoli. You got to get it tender with those shrimp and that creamy sauce. And with them tomatoes. Good. They give it a nice sweet taste. And see, you can also take your garlic bread and some of that sauce, just take it. Steak, tender. That's what I'm talking about there. Get a close-up shot there. Get a close-up shot, let them see what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Meals like that, I can do. Man. Cooking General, we knocked it out. We knocked it out, didn't we? Let's knock it out.
Damn